Welcome to in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then here click on the sounds and vibration section. Here, as can you see, we got the section with our device modes. Here we got selected the currently mode is the sound one. We can select the vibrate one, and also we can just enable the silent mode. Also here we can change our ringtone, notification and system sounds. Here we got the volume section. Just we can change our ringtone, media, notification and system sounds by swipe this blue dot with your finger or with your Samsung pen to the left or to the right. Also we can here change the volume buttons control, so by turn off the switcher we'll use our volume buttons, volume keys to change the ringtone, and if you will just turn on the switcher you will use your volume keys to change the media volume. Also we'll just go back here, and here we can change the vibration section. We can change the vibration pattern, the notification for our vibration pattern and the vibration intensity by this way. Also here we got the system sounds. We can just turn on or turn off all these features by click once on the switchers, and just to turn them on just click again on the switchers. So what features we got here? So we can enable the touch interactions, the screen lock unlock sound, the charging, the dialing pad tones, the Samsung keyboard sound, and also by the same way we can enable or disable here the vibration settings for our touches of our screen, the dialing pad tones, dial pad touches, the notification gestures, the charging and Samsung keyboard sounds. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.